Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgets Insider. Today we're transforming your walls with 8 stunning Amazon finds. So, let's get started. On top of our list, we have the Pigot 3 pieces metal flowers wall arts in beige gold, Vase C. Crafted with premium quality, these 6 by 13.7-inch metal art pieces feature minimalist black flower silhouettes, adding a touch of nature to your living space. Versatile and easy to install, they effortlessly enhance any room's ambiance. Next up, we have the Richer House artificial LED strip wall hanging shelves, set of 2, designed for the living room, bedroom, kitchen, or bathroom. These rustic wood shelves come with LED strips and measure 5.5 inches by 17 inches by 1 inch each. Crafted for adults, they infuse vintage and botanical charm into your space, showcasing a unique wood grain and eco-friendly LED lighting. Moving along, we'll explore the Miralum cotton stuffed animal storage hammock. This expandable hammock in beige is perfect for storing plush toys. Made of soft and durable cotton, it saves floor space and adds a cute bohemian touch to any room. Easy to install with a 100% returnless refund guarantee for customer satisfaction. In the 4th spot, we have the Mindsight moving konetic wall art in canyon brown. This handcrafted wood piece offers a peaceful, ripple motion without batteries, ideal for living rooms, offices, bedrooms, or kitchens. Winded up by hand for a rotating pattern experience, promoting mindfulness and tranquility in your living space or workplace. Number 5 is the DORESshop LED nightlight in soft white, a set of 2 plug-in lights featuring a dusk-to-dawn sensor for automatic operation. With adjustable brightness from 0 lumens to 60 lumens, these energy-efficient nightlights consume only 1 watt, saving electricity and promoting environmental sustainability. The plug-in design offers wider brightness for various spaces like bathrooms, bedrooms, and hallways. In the 6th spot, we have the Zzbakress 3-piece metal flowers and vases wall decoration in gold, offer elegance and charm. Featuring daisies, daffodils, and eucalyptus leaves, symbolizing purity, new life, and vitality, these sturdy metal decors with a durable gold finish resist rust and fading. Easy to hang with various sizes, they infuse bedrooms, bathrooms, and gardens with a vibrant and calming aura. Next up, we have another innovative solution, the LOHAS LED nightlight plug-in. This modern nightlight, designed to plug into walls, boasts a dusk-to-dawn sensor and adjustable brightness ranging from 0 to 100 lumens. With a vintage black cylindrical frame evoking a rustic charm, this nightlight creates a Middle Ages ambiance. Ideal for spaces like bedrooms, bathrooms, and stairways, it emits a soft 3000 Kelvin light, gentle on the eyes. Last but certainly not least, we have the Jiffdiff peel and stick wallpaper in dark floral. With a black color scheme and floral style, this polyvinyl chloride wallpaper transforms interiors into a tranquil secret garden. Measuring 118 inches long by 17.3 inches wide, each roll covers 14 square feet, featuring an easy straight match pattern for seamless application. Remember to buy rolls from the same batch to maintain color consistency. If you like any of these wall decorations, please check Amazon links in description below. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.